There are more than 87,000 online jewelry shops in the world. And all of them face the problem of producing a piece of jewelry and not being able to sell it. For this very reason, the art of rendering penetrated into the jewelry industry. Rendering is a complex process of generating photorealistic images from 3D models. Companies are hiring rendering masters who need special skills and powerful computers. We have automated the whole complicated rendering process. We are Rendline. Rendline is the first fully automated online jewelry rendering service for making high-quality presentable renderings. It gives online jewelry shops an opportunity to save time and money. The rendering revolution has started.